Barbara's Cathedral in Kutna Hora is one of the most significant Gothic structures in Europe. Its history dates back to the 14th century, a time when the city was one of the wealthiest places in the Czech lands thanks to silver mining. The cornerstone was laid in 1388. However, the construction was not the work of a single generation. Quite the opposite. It was built over centuries, interrupted by the decline of the mines and historical events. It was not completed until the early 20th century. The cathedral is dedicated to Saint Barbara, the patron saint of miners, who were behind its creation. It was they who wanted to build a magnificent cathedral as a symbol of their faith and wealth. Its unique architecture, high vaults, and iconic tinted roofs still serve as a reminder of the power and significance of medieval Kutna Hora. Today, the cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the greatest symbols of Czech history. It is a place where faith, wealth, and human ambition converge, carved into stone that has survived the centuries.